Hello everyone, for the people new here, my name is Ishneet Kaur and by profession, I am a makeup artist. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a detailed review of this amazing Minimalist Maleic Bond Repair Complex 0.5% Hair Serum. But before we dive into the before and after results, let's touch on some important points about this incredible product. It contains malic acid, transglutamine, and amino acids. These are the key players in repairing damaged hair and fortifying it from within. Malic acid is known for its ability to bind to hair proteins, promoting durability and reducing breakage. Transglutamine, on the other hand, helps to reinforce the hair's natural bonds, resulting in increased strength and resilience. Amino acids, the building blocks of proteins, they nourish the hair shaft and promote healthy growth. In simpler words, basically, these ingredients work together to repair damaged hair and make it stronger. In addition to these powerful repair agents, this serum is enriched with a nourishing blend of argan oil, squalane, and coconut oil. Now, as we all know, argan oil is rich in antioxidants, fatty acids, and vitamin E, which deeply penetrates into the hair shaft, providing intense hydration and restoring moisture balance. Squalane, a lightweight emollient, helps to smooth the cuticles, reducing frizz and imparting a silky softness. Coconut oil, renowned for its nourishing properties, seals in moisture, adds luster, and strengthens the hair staff, resulting in healthier and more manageable hair. But the goodness doesn't just stop here. This serum also incorporates the benefits of vitamin E, beta carotene, and carrot root extract. Now, vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect the hair from oxidative damage. So basically, it supports overall hair health and promotes a vibrant shine. Carrot root extract is known for its high vitamin and mineral content, nourishes and revitalizes the hair, leaving it feeling healthy and rejuvenated. This right here is a pre-shampoo serum. When you apply this serum, make sure to distribute it generously along the length of your hair, focusing on the areas that need the most attention. It's usually the ends. Just begin a little away from the scalp and work your way downwards. Just to be clear, it's not a scalp treatment, but instead, if you're dealing with weak, damaged strands, frizz, or brittleness, and if you've undergone any sort of color treatments or extensive bleaching, then this serum is specifically designed to address these hair concerns. The nourishing ingredients in the serum will penetrate deep into your hair shaft, providing essential hydration and repair. While using the serum, it's important to even be mindful on how you tie your hair. Instead of opting for a tight bun that can cause the product to come into contact with your scalp, choose a loose ponytail, or even leave your hair open if you want. This will help prevent any potential irritation or discomfort. Once you've applied the serum, it's best to leave it on for about an hour or so. This allows the serum to work its magic, deeply nourishing and repairing your hair from within. After the desired duration, proceed with your regular hair wash routine, rinsing out the serum thoroughly. However, it's important to note that the serum may not be suitable for everyone. If you have dandruff or a sensitive scalp, it's best to avoid using this product. The potent formula may not be compatible with these conditions and could potentially cause further irritation. This is my hair after using the serum. You can see a slight change in the texture. It looks a little more healthier. I mean, yeah, so this is how my hair looks after consistently using this serum. And you know what the best part is, that within 1-2 washes, you can see the difference yourself. After incorporating this serum into my hair care routine, I've noticed like a significant improvement in the overall health and the appearance of my hair. It feels stronger, looks shinier, and the frizz has been tamed. I can confidently say that this serum has become a staple in my hair care routine. Just remember, everyone's hair is unique, so it's important to assess how your hair responds to the serum and adjust the frequency of use accordingly. Some may find it beneficial to use it once a week, which I do, while others may prefer more frequent applications. Listen to your hair, listen to the needs, and adapt your routine accordingly. With consistent use, you can expect your hair to become stronger, shinier, and more manageable as it benefits from the deep nourishment and repair provided by this powerful formula. So go ahead and give the serum a try to experience the transformative effects it can have on your hair. Now we reached the end of this review video. I hope you guys have liked it. I hope you found it informative. If you all have, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.